Welcome to Honeywell. Thank you for choosing Smart Home Security to help you monitor your home. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your camera base station. Whether you've purchased a Smart Home Security Starter Kit or just the camera base station, everything you need to set up your system is in the box. If you haven't done so already, download the Honeywell Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new account, or use your existing account. Tap Add a new device and choose Smart Home Security from the list. Now, you'll need to find an area to place your camera base station. Choose a place that is near an outlet where the camera can get the widest view of your home. It should also have a good view of the door you use most often for entry. Some examples may include the living room mantel, kitchen counter, or entryway table. Do not use an extension cord to power your camera base station. When you have found a suitable place, connect the power cable to the bottom of your base station and plug in to the nearest outlet. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Your app should discover your camera base station in minutes. Once discovered, show the QR code in your app to the camera on the base station. Next, you'll need to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your network and enter your password. If you see an error at any time, follow the directions in your app. If you've purchased a Smart Home Security Starter Kit, choose Yes to add additional devices. If not, you're ready to get started. To continue, follow the instructions in your app. The Smart Home Security System by Honeywell. It feels good to be home.